Hello guys, welcome to another product review and unboxing. And in today's product review and unboxing, we are gonna be reviewing and unboxing Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. You can see it right now. It's a very wonderful product. And before we move on, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family, and also you will see the coupon code and the affiliate link in the description section, in which you can use to get this product and get a very 5% discount. And also our WhatsApp number will be displayed on the screen. Make sure you connect to us on WhatsApp so you can get the latest tech news and updates on our WhatsApp status and channel. Connect to us on Viskit also using the Viskit ID liftup_infotech. So let's go there right now. So guys, let's open the carton right now so we can see the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. So guys, this is the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. So let's take a tour around the carton. So you can see it, Oraimo Watch 4 Plus OSW801. So you can see that it is Android 2.01 full touch HD screen. So it is an HD screen and it also has a TFT screen. So here you can see quick SMS reply. You can also see IP68 dust and water resistance. You can see 100+ sports mode, and you can also see up to 7 days using. So it has a normal using of 7 days. So we'll talk more about it as we move on. Also, let's take a look at the back. And at the back, as usual, I think we have Burna Boy, and you can see some other stuffs like connecting your smartwatch to the Oraimo Health app, so you can be able to use it. And you can also see some of the features here, and we are still going to talk about these features later on. So I think here we just have Oraimo, and then there's nothing under, and then there's nothing here also. So guys, let's go and unbox these products. So after unboxing this product, I'm gonna tell you some features of this product. So let's go there. Wow, can you see it? This is the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. Can you see this? So I'm just gonna put this aside. Then we have the main wristwatch here. Can you see the main wristwatch? This is the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. So I'm just gonna put this out here, and then I'm gonna peel this off. So this is the wristwatch. You can see it. It is a full HD screen. And then let's take a look at the back. So you can see it. So guys, let's take a look at some other things that comes with these products, maybe like the manual and also the charger. So here we have the manual. It's a little bit small than that of the Oraimo Watch 3 Plus and Watch 3 Pro. So this is it here. Then we also have the charger. So the charger, as usual, is just a 2-pin magnetic charger. A 2-pin magnetic charger. Yeah, so let's go on to talk about the features of this product. So let's take a look at the features of this product. And like I've said earlier, you can see Burna Boy at the back, and you can see Burna Boy Oraimo brand ambassador. So now here you see some few features of this product. You see Oraimo Watch 4 Plus OSW801, display screen of 2.0 TFT. The meaning of the TFT is a thin flame transistor screen. We have a Bluetooth version of version 5.2, battery capacity of 300 amperes, milliamperes. So it has a battery type of lithium polymer battery, and it has a charging time of 3 hours, which means that you just have to charge this wristwatch or smartwatch for 3 hours, and it has a normal using time of 7 days. You will not see it here, but it has a moderate time of 5 days, and it has a heavy time of 3 days, every usage time of 3 days, and it has a standby time in which you can see of 30 days. So it is a waterproof of IP68, and it is also anti-fingerprint, anti-oil, also dust proof. Yeah, so those are the few features of the smartwatch Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. So some other features is wireless calling, brighter and larger screen, 100 plus port modes, and quick SMS reply. So guys, you can see the price of the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. It is just 25,600. But when you make use of our coupon code or the link you see in the description section, you get a 5% discount. So make sure you make use of the coupon code or the link in the description section to get a 5% discount off. So look at it here, just 25,600, but make use of the coupon code or the affiliate link in the description section. So before I test this smartwatch, connect it to my Oraimo Health app on my phone, I'm just going to charge it right now. So let's take a look at how to charge the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. So I have the 2-pin magnetic charger here. So then, so guys, we are going to connect the Oraimo Watch 4 Plus to the Oraimo Health app. But firstly, what I want you to know is that this wristwatch you are looking here, when you charge it, automatically switch on, then it show you the QR code to scan so as to connect it. So let's go connect it right now. So I've switched it off. I'm just going to on it right now. So you can see the Oraimo, you can see hello, nice to meet you. So just choose English, then it shows us the QR code to scan. So this is the Oraimo Health app. So you can see it's right here. So we are going to be using it to connect to Oraimo Watch 4 Plus. So we just have to come to this side here and then choose add device, then we choose bind via QR code. So I'm just going to connect it right now. So this is on, then I'll just place my phone camera to the smartwatch screen. So guys, I've connected the Oraimo smartwatch 4 Plus to my phone. So you can connect through QR code or through Bluetooth, and I've showed you, but I actually used the Bluetooth because I was having problem using my QR code, but you can use any of the two. So you can see it here. Let me show you my phone. Just go to smartwatch, then you can see Oraimo Watch 4 Plus, you can see connected, and you can see 72%. So I'm just going to come here like this, then I can be able to adjust my smartwatch from my phone. So I can give it another background. So I can just use set as main dial. So automatically it will change on the smartwatch. So let's take a look at my smartwatch now. Can you see it has changed because I changed it from my Oraimo Health app. So it is a very wonderful product, and I assure you are going to enjoy it. So to get this Oraimo Smartwatch 4 Plus, make use of the coupon code that will be displayed on the screen, and you can also see it in the description section, and also the link that you are going to see in the description section. So guys, let's just take a look at the back and the front. So you can see it here, you can see the back here. So look at the strap, keep exploring, and then you can see the other strap here. So it's a very wonderful product, and also don't forget to make use of the CC closed caption so as to get closed captions for our video. And I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share with friends and family, and what do you think about this wristwatch, leave it in the comment section below. So thank you very much, bye.